All right, we are getting breaking news. Delhi Member of Parliament Gautam Gambhir has hit out at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on his decision to seal the borders. Just to hide your failure, you want to punish innocent people merely because they live across the border. Those are Indians just like you and me. You promised of being ready for 30,000 patients in April. Remember, why ask such leading questions now, Mr. Tughlaq, is what Gautam Gambhir is saying. Now, BJP in fact hitting out, but they have all the rights. I mean, it looks like this decision defies convention. This defies any sort of logic so far. But has Gautam Gambhir forgotten? And if he has, let me show you this. There is absolute chaos which is reigning right now here at the DND border. All these people that you are seeing have been for the last few hours standing here waiting to in fact go. They all came in the morning, and it is only after we started reporting live, suddenly the two-wheelers and these cars have been allowed to in fact go through this channel. Now there are people, those who have been waiting for a very, very long time, and because of this jam, suddenly Noida has decided that they are going to allow everyone to pass at this point of time. But because of these the restrictions which have been put, a lot of chaos, a lot of problem as far as the people are concerned. And this is only going to be compounded come tomorrow, come when the Delhi government also puts restrictions on the border. So Noida and Ghaziabad already have sealed the borders, and Delhi is going to do it tomorrow. So there will be chaos, in fact, reigning all across in this area. Sir, जाने दे रहे हैं अभी सबको आप? But okay, so he doesn't want to speak right now. But all these people, because we've been reporting live, and then there are, I'll show you. Dinesh, just turn around. Dinesh is going to show you. Look at that traffic jam. And suddenly, because of massive traffic jam, everybody who was standing outside requesting the police to let them go, many of them government employees, those who had gone to their jobs in the morning, now suddenly the DND has started moving, and you'll see here, I'll show you, that is where the police checks usually. This is where the police keeps a check on the people, those who are in fact coming, those who they check the IDs for the essential services. And right now they're just letting everyone go. And once again, because the cameras go onto them, checking starts again. This is the problem, this random ad hoc decision making where the government says, central government says you are free to go. States can in fact allow this kind of movement between their borders. Meanwhile, the state government says something else. The district magistrates decide something completely different, and this results in absolute chaos for common people like you and I. A lot of people have been saying, if you don't want us to come back to our houses, why did you let us go in the morning? You should stop that as well. Don't let people enter Delhi if you don't want them to come back to Noida.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.